In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Odoo database. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Backing up your Odoo database is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring your valuable data stays safe. First things first, let's get started by opening your browser and navigating to the Odoo homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on the homepage of your Odoo account, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, in the upper right corner of your screen, you'll see your user icon. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, look for the option that says My Databases. This menu will provide you with access to all the databases associated with your account, so it's an essential step in our backup process. Now that you're in the My Databases section, you'll see a list of your databases. Find the database you want to back up, and right next to it, you should see a Settings button. Go ahead and click that Settings button. This will allow you to manage your database more effectively and access the necessary functions for backup. Once you're in the Settings menu for your specific database, look for the Manage option. Clicking on this will bring up more settings and management features tailored specifically for your database. It's vital we're in the right section before proceeding. The next step is crucial. Now you'll want to click on Download Backup in the Database section. This option will initiate the process of creating a backup file of your database. Depending on the size of your database and your internet speed, this might take a little time. Just be patient and let Odoo do its magic. After completing the backup, you will usually have a notification or an option to download your file directly. Make sure you save this file to a secure location on your computer or an external storage device. This is essential. You want to ensure that you can easily access this backup if anything happens to your current database. And just like that, you've successfully backed up your Odoo database. It's a simple yet critical task that can save you a lot of headaches in the future should anything go wrong. Remember, regular backups should become a part of your maintenance routine with Odoo. In summary, we went through visiting your Odoo homepage, navigating through your user icon to My Databases, accessing the settings for your desired database, managing it effectively, and finally, downloading your backup. Each step is designed to be quick and efficient, ensuring your data remains secure with just a few clicks. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on leveraging Odoo effectively. Happy backing up, and see you in our next video.